Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can quickly send your current GPS location in text messages on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. Next, we're going to tap on the text messaging app, and then in here open up the text conversation that you would like to send your GPS location. If you don't have a current chat conversation that you want to send to, you can tap on Start Chat and select a contact that you would like to start the conversation. Now in here, you want to tap on the plus button and then go down a little bit and tap on the location button on the left hand side right here. And here it shows you your current location with the pin right there. If you're happy with that pin, you can tap on the send button. Now you can also choose nearby places. So if this is not the current location that you want to use, you can go down the list here and select one of the nearby location. You can also use the search button to search for your current location. Once you are happy, just tap on the send button right there, and that will send the GPS, your current GPS location, into the text message. And that's it. So we're just going to wait for that to finish setting your GPS location, and that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.